According to an estimate, foreign-born residents constitute 14% of the total population of the USA. Most of the foreigners seek asylum. Major influx flows in America from southwest border. On June 6, 2025, protests started majorly in Latino populations thick areas in Los Angeles. The anxiety started when President Trump pledged to start crackdown on illegal immigration under the Immigration and Customs Enforcemen (ICE). For the purpose, several arrests were made. In reaction, riots started. This movement named itself as Occupy Movement. ICE agents are making raids in the areas where they have reasons to believe there are residing illegal immigrants. After arrests, illegal immigrants are detained or deported, and are convicted also. The main emphasis of Trump administration is to restrict the immigrants from entering the USA where they are not citizens. Violent demonstrators damaged the police vehicles, broken their windscreens near an overpass. They also damaged the properties. The main grief of protesters is that they are being arrested, deported besides the fact that they are resident of the USA since many years. They have established their businesses and homes. They are participating in economics of the USA. They have merged their population into the local population. Now it looks impossible to these immigrants to leave the USA. Question arises: if they are settled since a decade or more than it, then why are they still unauthorized settlers or illegal immigrants? Basically, the legal process of asylum grant is very slow. Behind the scene of this slow speed is to discourage the illegal immigration and immigrants. But the result is contrary, as slow process proved not to discourage the immigrants to enter in, rather gives instigation to speed up the influx. If asylum result is made in result of quick processing of asylum cases, then either these applications may be accepted or rejected. Meaning thereby, genuine cases would be precipitated out of the fake or weak cases. When immigrants enter the USA, they bring their respective national psyche, traumas and culture. These factors create some contradictions. Though mixing of immigrants with local population can't be brushed aside, but in recent years some contradictions created a havoc situation too. Even wages difference also felt to local labor and workers like a deprive. However, it is hoped a better settlement will be achieved by the USA. Viewers, what is your point of view? Please share in comments. Thank you for watching this video.